Chicken eggs are graded by size for the purpose of sales. The size of the eggs depends mostly on two factors: the breed of the chicken and the age of the chicken. Some breeds of chickens, like the bantams, lay only small eggs, while the Rhode Island Red lay large eggs. Age is also an important factor. A young chicken is likely to start laying smaller eggs with higher frequency, while as days pass by, they grow to their breed actual size. An older chicken, on the other hand, may lay larger eggs, but with less frequency. The size doesn't impose any issue on the taste of the eggs. Eggshell color is usually associated with the breed of the chicken, with no effect on egg quality or taste. It is a major issue in production due to regional and national preferences for specific colors, and the results of such preferences on demand. Colors of eggshells range from cream, blue, green, and different shades of brown. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.